Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. The position of a particle along a straight line path is defined by s of t equals t cubed minus 6t squared minus 15t plus 7 feet, where t is in seconds. Determine the total distance traveled when t equals 10 seconds. Find the particle's average velocity, average speed, and the instantaneous velocity and acceleration at t equals 10 seconds. Now let us work through the solution step by step. We begin by differentiating the position function with respect to time. The first derivative gives us velocity, 3t squared minus 12t minus 15 feet per second. The second derivative gives acceleration, 6t minus 12 feet per second squared. To find where the particle changes direction, we set the velocity equal to 0. Factoring gives t equals 5 seconds and t equals -1 second. Since time cannot be negative in our problem, the only relevant turning point is at t equals 5 seconds. We evaluate the position function at 3 key times, t equals 0, t equals 5 seconds, and t equals 10 seconds. The results are 7 feet, -93 feet, and 257 feet, respectively. The total distance is found by adding the absolute distance of each leg of the trip. From t equals 0 to t equals 5, the particle travels 100 feet. From t equals 5 to t equals 10, it travels 350 feet. The total distance traveled is 450 feet. Average velocity equals the net displacement divided by total time. The net displacement is 257 minus 7, which is 250 feet, divided by 10 seconds, giving an average velocity of 25 feet per second in the positive direction. Average speed equals total distance divided by total time. That is 450 feet divided by 10 seconds, giving 45 feet per second. Notice this differs from the average velocity magnitude because the particle changed direction during the interval. Plugging t equals 10 into the velocity equation. 3 times 100 minus 12 times 10 minus 15 equals 300 minus 120 minus 15, which is 165 feet per second. The positive result means the particle is moving in the positive direction at that instant. Substituting t equals 10 into the acceleration equation gives 6 times 10 minus 12, which equals 48 feet per second squared. Since both the velocity and acceleration are positive at this moment, the particle is speeding up. To summarize, the total distance traveled is 450 feet, the average velocity is 25 feet per second, the average speed is 45 feet per second, the instantaneous velocity at 10 seconds is 165 feet per second, and the instantaneous acceleration is 48 feet per second squared. The most important technique here was identifying the turning point at t equals 5 seconds before computing total distance. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.